this modern contemporary house located at Tagaytay City. This property has a lot area of 625 square meter with a floor area of 803 square meter. It comes with 2 adjacent house, a bigger house, and a smaller house. It comes with 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 7 car garage. If you want to know the full details of this property, please click down below.
guys, so bonus clip lang. Ang laki kasi nung house. So baka hindi masyado na explain yung mga features ng property. So ito bonus clip, pakita ko lang ng pa-vlog style. So ito yung entrance. Yung buong house, marami siyang lighting, talagang aesthetic, and pinarerentahan din to Airbnb. Lanay for your friends and you to hang out. May view ng pool. Okay, so dito tayo, dalawang house kasi siya. So ito yung smaller house. Okay, so modern contemporary yung design niya from yan, modern contemporary yung design niya from the inside and even yung interior. So yung smaller house, meron siyang 3 bedrooms. Lahat ng bedrooms may kanya-kanyang CR na may kasamang heater. O nga pala, fully furnished na rin to pag binili nyo. So ito yung CR. Yan yung CR. Shower room. See, may exhaust, as you can hear. Kasama na pala itong mga painting na to. The beds. So kung gusto mo siya bilhin for business purposes, pwede mo na agad siya parentahan. Kitchen and living room. As you can see, glass window. So naka-close lang yung blinds, but imagine if binuksan. So open natin yung lights. Yan. Okay. Diba? Even yung ceilings is modern contemporary. Modern na rin yung show kitchen. O nga pala, meron din siyang utility kitchen sa labas. I think dalawa. Ito yung isang bedroom. Yan. May 3 to 1.5 bed. And then, as I've said, may heater. Diba? Also, high ceilings. Nakalimutan ko i-note. Powder room. View ng, I think, ng garage. 2-car garage dito sa front. And 4-car, I think 5-car garage doon sa back. Okay, so punta tayo sa kabila. Okay. Dito tayo sa isa pang house. Isa bigger one. So, before we go, pakita ko muna sa inyo harap. So, may lanay din siya. Yan, may lanay din siya. Diba? See? Okay, so pasok tayo dito sa isang house. Yan. Upon entry, ito yung view nyo. Let me show you. See? See? Yan. Flat screen. Powder room. Sorry na off na yung lights. Ito, open natin para makita nyo yung buong. Yan. So, as you can see, difference ng pag naka-on yung lights. See, centralized. Ito rin glass windows. Here meron din siyang 3 na bedrooms. So I'll show you yung first. Yung first bedroom is quite big. Ganon din yung ceilings niya, talagang contemporary modern. Glass windows din. Medyo messy siya kasi kakalabas lang nung huling nag-rent. As I've said, yun ang Airbnb. Lahat nga pala ng rooms is may aircon. Centralized din yung living room. Here, yung yan, CR. Ayan. Heater. Ito pala. See, even yung hallway na to is glass window. Tapos meron siya, I think, lazy boy na upuan. Ito yung view from here. See? Ito yung last bedroom. Aircon. Yan. May sarili rin siyang bathroom. Same na meron siyang yun. Okay. Okay. Sige, pakita ko lang last yung pool. Punta tayo sa pool. So, stairs. Punta sa pool. barbecue area. Oops. Shower room, outdoor shower room. May heater din. Toilet. Utility kitchen. Ayan, yung side. Okay din. Okay. Here, para makita nyo yung view from dito sa baba, sa lower part ng house. Hindi naman deep yung pool, pero paslant siya. So, yun, palalim ang ganda. May lights din, may sariling lights yung pool. Okay, punta tayo dito sa isa garage sa back, kasi corner lang to. Okay, ito yung garage nya dito. 5 yung kasya. Ayun yung broker namin and yung partner ko and my wife. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, nababanat na naman siya. Okay, thank you.